Hi, I'm Maddie, and this is a day in my life as a bio-art student assistant at the School of Visual Arts. When I first get in, I start by preparing food for our aquariums. My first task for the day was to surface sterilize equipment for the kombucha I was going to make. Kombucha is a fermented sweet tea that serves as a substrate for SCOBY, or symbiotic colony of bacteria and yeast, which can be harvested, dehydrated, and used as biomaterial. Here I am cutting up a freshly harvested SCOBY, which I'll use to inoculate the kombucha I'm making today. We grow a lot of SCOBY here in the lab. Our bio-art students are always discovering new ways to use it in their practice. We have quite a few living creatures in the lab that we care for. I'm misting our stick bug colony with distilled water to provide them with lots of moisture and hydration. In the lab, we culture our own flightless fruit flies for Ed and Julep, our poison dart frogs. We love to provide students with a little pocket of nature to serve as inspiration while they're here in the city. Next, I feed and water our Madagascar hissing cockroach colony. Contrary to popular belief, this species is actually very hygienic, intelligent, and docile. Now that the food I set out earlier is thawed, I can feed our saltwater fish. This is Princess Diana, a very sweet and curious copperband butterfly fish. Any SVA student is welcome to come and visit the lab to use these amazing creatures as reference, or just take a moment to chill out. We've also got some really beautiful rose tip anemones in our saltwater tank. Moving on to freshwater, this is Winston, one of our axolotls. We feed these guys by hand using a long pipette. A lot of what I do at work is prep, so now I'm wrapping up utensils in foil to be sterilized in our autoclave later. One of my favorite members of the lab team is our bearded dragon Oz. I'm feeding him a fresh squash smoothie with vitamins, which is one of his favorites. I finished up the day by preparing fertilizers to water all of our carnivorous foliage and cactus plants we have in the lab. Each type of plant has a different fertilizer with different nutrients to help them thrive. Thanks for watching!